vacation. Dun-dun-dun. But no, we made it to Miami. No, about like a little room tour when you first walk in. Ain't nothing big, just a little something, something. We already wiped everything down. Me and KICKN wiped it down, sprayed it down, all that down. So right now we hungry. I'm gonna go try to find something to eat. So yeah, come on. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Kicking It with the Grants. Hey, Kicking It with the Grants. Hey, kicking it with the Grants. I think that little drink got me stumbling on my words, but hey, it's that time, y'all. It's that time.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Happy birthday to you.
Had to give y'all birthday dance. But what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? So we had a good night last night. We had actually, I didn't record it. We went to Miami subs. This boy had a freaking orgasm. KICKN, cause she like, oh my god, we used to have a Miami sub where we live at, but they took it away from us. It was so good, like it was that spot to go at. So he was like over excited about some Miami subs. I got me a Euro. And they French fries was good. And he had got him some chicken wings, you feel me? And it was good. And we went to sleep about 2 o'clock in the morning. It's 5 in the morning, and I was talking dirty to you. So, anyways, but yeah, so we about to, he in the shower real fast, about to go down for breakfast. Because it's early, like, why, I'm like, why are we waking up this early with no kids? Like, look, y'all. Like, there's no kids. Why are we up this early? But I'm hungry, so I need to go get me some food. Some of them little stale biscuits and stuff they got down there. I don't know. They say, I read the reviews, they say they got good breakfast. I'm about to see. Cause we'll be going later on. We'll be going. It's like this trip, I'm about to be like a foodie, because all we doing is like trying new restaurants out, because it's nothing we can't really do because they closed down our freaking concert. So like, we're gonna make the best out of it, whatever. But just want to come on and say, hey, how y'all doing? It is technically the second night in Miami, and we about to have some fun. Yeah. Look at Mariah. Tell her to sing louder. They're like, really? Thank you. So y'all, what's up? Sorry that y'all see me in this this form right here, but we about to head on to probably the mall real fast, and then go to Trick Daddy. No, we going to Trinidadian first. We probably do Trick Daddy. I don't know when, but anyways, yeah, I'm about to go outside because they coming to pick my sister-in-law and brother-in-law coming to pick us up, and I'm like, go outside like this, tell some, hey, fucking it up because it's your birthday, girl. I'll be all looking all ratchet and stuff and see what they're gonna say, get their reaction. And then I'm gonna probably just wait and like when we about to walk in the mall, like go out, see if they're gonna want to walk with me or something. This should be funny because they both hilarious. It will say what they want to say out loud. A mess.
Should I play like I don't want you to wear that? Like, I don't know why she wearing this shit.
Yeah. Looking all ratchet and stuff. Like, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. Y'all know that voice, that ratchet voice? It's my birthday. It's my birthday. I'm like, shut up. Like, why do people gotta talk like that? Anyways,
It's their birthday.
we just waiting now. Who might see me in the window? Hey, when it's time for your birthday. I'm gonna walk like I'm confident too. I'm gonna be like, y'all see me walking, I'm gonna be walking like this. Hey.
Hey, so you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Hacking, stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage.
I don't see the real stripe though. Is there a real stripe on there? No. What happened? I told her not to wear this, man. She just don't want it. She tripping, man. I said, don't put this junk on. She don't want to listen. Well, she said, no, ma'am. What she said at first. Shay, man, you need to go out there and get a shirt and stop playing, man. She think it's her birthday, she can do shit like this.
I can't do what you do. If I wanted to do what you do, somebody over there like, you ain't going. You go.
I don't want to go to the mall anyway with her walking around like this. Take a picture. Alright, I got pictures. I was recording the whole time.
I thought she was gonna go to sleep on my birthday. He sleep. What's up, y'all? See that airplane? Yeah, we're by airplane. I gotta clean this back of this car that you made a mess in. So we went to. I'm a bad vlogger, so I didn't show y'all none of our food or nothing. But he had some goat and was chewing these goat bones back here. They all. I think I picked them up before I got up out the car. But yeah, we are on our way out. Still my birthday. And let's go to the taco, this little taco place or whatever. We got a 4.5 4.5 star thing, so it should be good. Hopefully, I need to find me some toms because you know I'm getting old and too much greasy food don't be sitting right up in my chest and stuff. Heartburn, nausea, indigestion, upset stomach, diarrhea. Might start that other stuff, just the first two. But yeah, just wanna let y'all know what's going on. We'll see y'all at a taco place.
Feel uninvited. Left your home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah. She needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
Yeah, I guess Miami, just like we over here. Empty. And the baby don't got no white. Kenyon, I was like, he don't know me. How about he embarrassed me because I'm doing TikToks in the stove.
See this what we not finna do. 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 This not what we about to do.
Wilding out at people's stores.
Everybody else is too. I need some draws, y'all, because I've been taking like 3 showers a day to get my money's worth, and like I run out of panties. I know that's a TM now, but I thought y'all should know. What the draws at? It's always just some washing powder and just wash the clothes.